3, 2, 1, 0. And we have liftoff.
When starting SpaceX, the joke, I heard the joke, this joke so often, it was ridiculous. The joke was, how do you make a small fortune in the space industry? And the punchline, of course, being start with a large one. Yeah, and I got to a point, I'd heard the joke so many times that I would just get to the punchline and say like, well, I wanted to figure out how to turn a large fortune into a small one. That was my goal. And they're like, wow, how did he know that? Yeah, I mean, I do think there is opportunity in space, but it's tough going. I think if SpaceX and other companies can lower the cost of transport to orbit and perhaps beyond, then there's a lot of potential for entrepreneurship at the destination. I mean, you can think of it like the Union Pacific Railway. You know, before there was the Union Pacific Railway, it was real hard to have commerce between the West Coast and the East Coast. It would go by wagon or a really long sailing journey. But once there was the transport, then there were huge opportunities. And now look at sort of, you know, California and Washington State and all the industries that have been created in Silicon Valley and Hollywood. But you got to have that fundamental transport element. Otherwise, it's really tricky.